Question 1. Describe a memorable holiday you had. Why was it memorable? Answer. A memorable holiday I had was when I visited Paris. The city's beauty and rich history left a lasting impression on me. Exploring landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum was an incredible experience. The delicious French cuisine and charming streets added to the memorable nature of the holiday. Overall, Paris offered a perfect blend of culture, art, and culinary delights. Question 2. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of living in a big city. Answer. Living in a big city has its advantages, such as better job opportunities, access to quality education and healthcare, diverse cultural experiences, and a vibrant social life. However, it also has disadvantages, including higher living costs, increased pollution, traffic congestion, and a fast-paced lifestyle that can lead to stress. Ultimately, the decision to live in a big city depends on individual priorities and preferences. Question 3. Describe a time when you had to solve a problem at work or school. Answer. Once, during a group project at university, our team faced a conflict regarding the distribution of tasks. I took the initiative to listen to everyone's opinions and concerns, facilitating an open discussion to find a fair solution. By considering each team member's strengths and interests, we were able to redistribute the tasks and complete the project successfully. This experience taught me the importance of effective communication and collaboration in problem solving. Question 4. Discuss the impact of technology on society. Answer. Technology has greatly influenced society, bringing both positive and negative impacts. On the positive side, technology has improved communication, healthcare, transportation, and access to information. It has also led to advancements in various industries, creating new job opportunities. However, there are concerns about privacy, addiction to screens, and the potential loss of human interaction. Striking a balance between the benefits and drawbacks of technology is crucial for a well-functioning society. Question 5. Describe a book that had a significant impact on you. Answer. One book that had a significant impact on me is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This inspiring novel taught me about the importance of following one's dreams and listening to one's heart. It emphasized the value of perseverance, self-discovery, and the belief that the universe conspires to help those who pursue their passions. This book encouraged me to pursue my own dreams and taught me valuable life lessons along the way. Question 6. Discuss the role of social media in today's society. Answer. Social media plays a significant role in modern society, connecting people from different corners of the world and providing platforms for communication, networking, and sharing information. It has revolutionized the way we interact, access news, and express ourselves. However, social media also raises concerns about privacy, cyberbullying, and the impact of excessive screen time on mental health. It is important to use social media responsibly and be mindful of its potential drawbacks. Question 7. Describe a time when you had to make an important decision. Answer. One important decision I had to make was choosing my career path. I carefully considered my interests, skills, and long-term goals before deciding to pursue a career in computer science. I sought advice from professionals in the field and conducted thorough research to understand the job prospects and growth opportunities. Ultimately, I made an informed decision that aligned with my passion for technology and the potential for personal and professional development. Question 8. Discuss the impact of climate change on the environment. Answer. Climate change has resulted in various environmental impacts, including rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, extreme weather events, and the loss of biodiversity. These changes have adverse effects on ecosystems, agriculture, and human settlements, leading to increased vulnerability, food scarcity, and displacement of communities. It is crucial for society to take collective action to mitigate climate change through sustainable practices, renewable energy adoption, and conservation efforts. Question 9. Describe a time when you had to overcome a difficult challenge. Answer. Overcoming a difficult challenge is a part of life, and one such challenge I faced was when I had to prepare for a major exam while managing other responsibilities. I developed a study schedule, prioritized my tasks, and sought support from friends and family. Despite the stress, I stayed focused and motivated, consistently putting in effort and seeking help when needed. Eventually, I successfully passed the exam, which taught me the importance of resilience and effective time management. Question 10. Discuss the importance of cultural diversity in society. Answer. Cultural diversity is vital for society as it fosters tolerance, understanding, and appreciation for different perspectives and traditions. It enriches communities by promoting creativity, innovation, and mutual respect. Cultural diversity also contributes to economic growth, tourism, and the exchange of ideas. Embracing and celebrating diversity allows societies to thrive and creates a more inclusive and harmonious environment for all individuals.